All right, so you can see my problem. I'm putting the drop ceiling in. Started out by measuring the room, creating the grid that's gonna work best. Put the border trim around, measuring, did the inside corners and the outside corners. We can look at other videos for that. But my quick issue or problem that I'm having is, I measured one way, nice and straight, but then as I'm coming the opposite way, you can tell how the first one lined up with the second one, this one lined up, that one lined up, but then when I go to the far one, look how crooked that is. And so the only little like hack or trick that I kind of found out trial by error, and hopefully you don't have to, you can avoid this, is whenever, see my runs are like 16 feet, 17 feet. And so I put two together, right? So my only little thing is, what I learned is whenever you're restarting the next beam, right? So I'm gonna start, I gotta make my cut when I'm designing this, is to always start fresh at the new notch. So just cut straight along here and not like halfway, because your stuff doesn't line up the long ways. So on this one, I learned, I cut at the notch, and so it's 6 inches to the next one. And then from the other one, same deal, 6 inches, but I just started with new one initially, so it had that 6 inches. So I guess just something in the future, so when you're putting your drop ceiling in, you can go a little bit quicker than I did. All right, hope this helps. You have a good day.